Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Vivago AI. In order to do so, here we are at Vivago AI, and once you're here, you'll be met with this screen where you are going to find a variety of templates that you can use, and there's some pretty neat stuff here to play with. So let's just go ahead and take a look at some of the options here. Let's see the Squish It. You've got Happy Valentine's Day. You've got the Love Rose. You've got the Boyfriend's Rose. You've got the Girlfriend's Rose. You've got the AI Kiss and a variety of other ones that you can play with as well. So we've got the Chinese style. So if you want to take a picture and make it Chinese style, then you can do that. And there are a lot of different templates here that you can play with. So if there's any here that you think look pretty fun, then if you hover over it with your mouse, then you'll see this option here that says use template. And if we click on that, then it's going to give you the option to bring in a photo. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in my weird looking photo here, and we can hit confirm. And then from there, that's going to bring us into this screen here. And you can see now that this is beginning to generate. So this is a good time to point out that Vivago does offer 100 free credits per day. And we have used 30 credits for this generation, and that is fairly standard with Vivago. Most of the generations are going to cost you about 30 credits. So keep that in mind, and we can select here for get credits, and you can see that Vivago has a variety of options for you to choose from. And so it's not a bad way of going about it. So you could see here for $3, you get 500 credits, which it's not too bad. That gives you a few generations to play around with, and that goes all the way up to $200 for 50,000 credits. So you definitely have some options here, and we have an area as well where we can redeem a certain amount of credits, 2,000 credits. So let's go ahead and click on that. So insufficient invitation points available. So we need invitation points in order to use that. So here we have invitation rewards, and you can see that we can invite friends to sign up and earn reward points from their subscriptions. Reward points can be used to deduct your membership fees. So there you go. So you can copy this link and you can send it to your friends and family. And if they get a subscription, then you get free credits that you can use to play around. So let's go ahead and just take a look through Vivago's main options here. We have our video generation, and you can see that we have our image to video, our text to video, and we can remove the background. So we've got our squishy here. So let's go ahead and see what the results are. So there you go. So that's kind of fun. So that just takes our character and our image and turns it into some putty. So that's kind of fun. Image to video. So let's go ahead and go with text to video. Image to video, you're going to find is pretty similar to what we've done here, but without the effect template. But with text to video, then you're going to see here that we have our prompt. And so this is where you can enter in whatever you wish. And in this case, we'll just enter something simple like a city skyline. And that's going to generate our video. So if that's what we want to see, and then from there, there's a variety of other prompts that you can use in order to try to improve the quality as much as possible. But I encourage you to look into some more details as far as improving your prompts. One thing that you can do is you can always use a chat bot like ChatGPT or any other chatbot that you might prefer, and you can always use that to improve your prompts. However, we could see here that there is Magic Prompt, and Magic Prompt enhances your initial prompt to improve generation. You could switch this on or off, and all you have to do is toggle that right there, and that's going to turn on or off Magic Prompt. And basically what this is going to do is it's going to take our basic prompt here and it's going to improve it. But you might want to toggle that off because sometimes when you use something like Magic Prompt, it might add details that you don't want. So just be aware of that. But it is a nice way of improving. If you just want to try something simple and you want to see how that turns out with the Magic Prompt on, then you can get some pretty good results from that. Let's go ahead and select Prompt Bot. So you can see that that opens and closes this window here. And the prompt bot is exactly what we just described. So it looks like Vivago has that option in here where you can actually use the prompt bot in order to improve your prompt. So you don't even need to use something like ChatGPT. They brought that right in here for you. So that's pretty cool. Here we have a few options to consider. We have our turbo mode. We have our high quality mode. And that doesn't seem to change the amount of credits. So you might want to, well, it depends. If you go with turbo, then you might not get the results you're looking for. High quality is going to take longer. We also have the duration from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. And you can see here that if we want to go with 10 seconds, then we are going to need to subscribe to the plus plan at least in order to use the 10 seconds. We have our aspect ratios here. We could choose from whatever you prefer. And then we have the seed where you want to reuse a seed in order to get similar results. We also have our negative prompt here. So if you just click this plus sign, then you can enter in your negative prompt. And this is something that you want to specify what you want to avoid. So if there's anything that you don't want to come through on the prompt, and make sure to put that in there. And a lot of times it's very common to do something like blurry, comma, low quality, etc. Things of that sort. Distorted. That's another one that's pretty common. And this is going to help improve the generation. Once you're done, you can just click on generate. And there you go. Vivago is going to start generating whatever you have done in your text to video. So image to video, same idea, except you're bringing an image. And if you just click on this, then you can choose an image that you want to bring on. In this case, we've got our city skyline here. So we can just describe this. So a skyline at sunset. And then we can get as inventive with that as we want to. So that gives you an idea of what to expect with the video generation. There's also the remove background. If you want to do that, that is also only available if you have the subscription. Vivago also offers image generation, which is pretty nice. And that is much more reasonable as far as the credits, only 2 credits in order to generate a single image. And similar idea, you can enter in your prompt right here. And you want to try to be as specific as possible with that, but you do have Magic Prompt and the Prompt Bot to help you out with that as well. AI try-on. So this is for entering in a garment. So let's go ahead and enter in our garment, and then we can upload an image. So if we have, for example, we want to put this girl in that outfit, then we can do that. There's AI portrait. We've got image style. We could change the style of whatever image we might want. We've got AI logo. So that's quite nice as well. If we want to create a logo for our company, we can try that. We even have AI tattoo. So from there, we can take a look at the image editor. And let's see here, image editor. So it looks like this is primarily the prompt bot. So if we want to come in here and we want to work with the prompt bot in order to improve our prompts, then that appears to be the option in image editor. 3D generation. So this is quite nice. Text to 3D, image to 3D. If you want to create a 3D model, then you can do that with Vivago. So that's pretty cool. They are covering a lot of bases here. We also have the character creator. We could describe our character We can add specific tags about our characters. So in this case, let's say we want to add the tag. Yeah, so if we click on tag, then that opens and closes this window here. And then depending on what we select, that's going to show up in our prompt here. So that's a nice way of creating a character. And that only is 4 credits in order to generate that. So that's quite nice. Finally, we have AI tools. We have our upscaler or image enhance. We have repainter, magic eraser, magic expand. So for outpainting, video enhance. So that's quite nice. Let's take a look at video enhance. We have magic brush too, if we want to animate a specific part of our image, but just curious to see video enhance. And it's not taking us there. So I wonder if that is because we're not on the subscription, or it could be that we're just getting a little bit of a glitch there. That's always a possibility. But there you go. That gives us an idea of all of the different things that you can do in Vivago, and they are offering some pretty neat functions. They're covering a large spread. So go over to Vivago, get your free credits, and start playing around. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.